Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I grabbed this piece of wood here, and we are going to be trying to make a fishing lure out of it. I'm thinking I'm going to try to make a jerkbait, but not really sure. I've never tried to make one before, so we'll see how it goes. So, I'm going to start with white, just do white all over, and then you can do a design on top or however I want to do it. Alright guys, so we have our jerkbait all painted in white, and now we're going to be doing the eye. There we go. And then we have our two eyes. Now I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to use some red to make some little gill plates on. Alright guys, so the lure's all done and painted. Alright guys, so have our jerkbait at the lake, and now we're gonna test it out. Just gonna see kind of how it runs. It dives, but doesn't have too much action, not as much as I was hoping for.